What it do? Welcome to the Veganlicious kitchen. If this is your first time here, don't let it be your last time here, and you do that by clicking on the subscribe button. I can never get that word out. The subscribe button is on the right hand side of your screen, in red. Click on that so you'll be notified with the ding little bell when I post new tasty vegan recipes. So today in the Veganlicious kitchen, I am going to be making kimchi pancakes. Okay, kimchi is a probiotic which helps the gut. Okay, and it's basically like a sauerkraut, but it's an Asian sauerkraut. So we're doing kimchi pancakes with a yum yum sauce. Okay, so the yum yum sauce, it's also an Asian sauce. So we're not going to use soy sauce. We're not going to use duck sauce. We're using yum yum sauce. And so yum yum sauce is actually made of a few things. So I'm going to grab all the ingredients to show you what you need to make this Asian infused recipe. Okay? Sayonara. Whatever. Okay, let's get it. Okay, so I have all my ingredients to make this kimchi pancake. Let me show you what is needed. So you see my shirt, it's sort of giving me a bat, so I'm feeling like a bat. Then I got on all black. It's about 80 degrees outside, and been out there, and I'm like, you're gonna have to rethink your outfit because it's too hot to be wearing all black, especially when it's hot outside. At nighttime it's fine, but in the daytime to be all in black when the sun is beaming, it's a no-no. Okay, I know a lot of you like to wear black, but not when it's hot. Okay, so let me show you what's needed. First, that's your kimchi. This is garlic roasted kimchi. Okay, it's vegan. It's a probiotic. Okay, raw kimchi. I'm going to use chickpea flour. You can use any kind of flour you choose to, but I'm going to go with chickpea flour. It's a healthier flour. You can use white, but don't use bleached white. Use unbleached white, or you use wheat, any kind of flour except bleached. Okay. I'm going to, of course, put some more garlic. I'm going to use green onions. Okay. I'm going to add some, this is ginger. Okay, so I've been juicing ginger. So I've been drinking ginger shots for the past 7 days every morning. It's great for the digestive system, and it's also great for your immune system. So I'm going to use the pulp of the ginger that's left from the juice, okay, that I drank already. Then I'm going to use flaxseed meal. This is a substitute for egg. Okay, how you do that is you put some flaxseed into water and let it sit for a while, and then it will give you the egg texture that you need that binds the food. So I'm going to use flaxseed instead of egg to hold my pancake together, right? Then I have some pink salt and I have some more garlic, and that's all that's needed for this pancake. The yum yum sauce, I'll show you how to make that once this is done. So let's get this started first. Let's get to chopping. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you're going to chop these green onions. I washed them off. So green onions, when you get to the bottom of the onion, the white meat part, you see, that is scallions. The top is green onions. The white is scallions. You might see it in the supermarket. It might say green onions. It might say scallions. But this is it, okay? So we're going to chop. Let me pan it down. Okay, so we're going to chop. Simple. Right? Going across the top of the scallion. And I'm not going to put that much in. Okay, so here's your, that's all I'm going to use. Those are your green onions cut up, okay? Simple. Now we're going to... Flaxseed is not really needed in this recipe. It's an option. You can use it or not use it. Your choice. Make our egg, okay? Only a little bit, not a lot. I'm gonna pour some water. You see? That's what I put in there. Now we're gonna put some water in there and let that sit for like 5 minutes so we can get the texture of an egg, okay? So that's gonna sit. See it? It'll get thick, like the consistency of an egg. So next, let's grab our chickpea flour. I'm gonna use, so we poured our chickpea flour. This is a 1/2 cup of chickpea flour I poured into the bowl. Let's back the bowl up so you can see. But I think I'm gonna use 1 cup of chickpea flour to make more than 1 pancake, because my daughter might come in here hungry like usual. So I'm gonna make her some too. Okay, so that's 1 cup. 1 cup of chickpea flour. Right. Now we're gonna add in our garlic to the flour. I don't measure. That's probably about 1 tablespoon. Then we're gonna add some pink salt. Okay, you don't need a lot of that. Then we're gonna add in our ginger. Okay, so I'm having some difficulties with my stand. Okay, so all your dry ingredients mixed together first. Okay, so everything is combined. See, there we go. I have another stand over here. I don't know where it's at. I think I had it. Unbelievable. Okay. All right, let's just lift it up. We're gonna mix it up. We gotta do what we gotta do, right? So we're gonna mix all your dry ingredients together. Then we're gonna add in, you go ahead and throw in your onions, right? All the onions can go in. Mix. Do you see? Then here, so the egg, it gives you the yolky feel, right? So that's what you want. So now we're gonna throw this in and we're gonna mix. Mix it up so things can bind together, right? So that's like 1/4 cup. Now we're gonna add in some ginger. I'm gonna use a tablespoon of ginger. Maybe not 1/2 tablespoon, because ginger is a bit spicy. So I'm not even gonna use a 1/2, I'm gonna use like 1/4, okay? Then we're gonna mix it up. Mixed it all up, and then we're gonna put the kimchi in. Can't forget the kimchi, because that's what it's about, the kimchi. Now, I didn't rinse off my kimchi. I drained some of the liquid that's inside the kimchi bag off of the kimchi. Make sure you use a lot of the kimchi. Like sauerkraut. You want to taste the kimchi inside of this pancake. But just right? Take some kimchi and put it in there. Don't be scared. And we're going to mix again. Okay? Throw that there. Now we're going to mix this up. And last ingredient, of course, is the water. Okay. Did I put garlic? Probably not, but I'll do that. Water. Mix. So you get a pancake texture. Okay? And there we're going to go to the pan and fry this up like a pancake. And then I'll be back. Okay, so everything is mixed together, and this is how it should look. You know, add more water to your flour mix, okay? You don't want it to be that thick, because the pancake is not that thick. Add more water. Depends on how you like it, okay? So you'll have a nice crispy kimchi pancake. Gonna hit the spot. So let me start cooking, but I'm gonna straighten stuff out before I start. Let's remove the mess. Okay, let me tell y'all something. People, we are all grown here, right? I hope so. So, I got grown people calling my phone, acting like they somebody else. You know, calling me from different numbers. Okay, fellas, don't fuck with me. If I don't talk to you no more, there's no need for you to call my phone. Okay, that's the end of that story, but hopefully he'll purchase my Veganlicious ebook, and you can too. All right, so here's how the pancake batter comes out, right? Your kimchi batter. So let's take it over to the frying pan and get these popping, okay? Come with me, come with me, come with me. All right, hold on. Okay, so let's start the process of making the pancakes. So I'm gonna add a little bit of grapeseed oil to the pan. You don't want nothing sticking in the pan. If you got a non-stick pan, great. If not, put some oil in it. Okay, so let that oil heat up. Then we will proceed on. Okay, so the oil has heated up. Now I'm going to put in my batter, my pancake batter. Wait, I think I want it to like little sizzle here. Sizzle, sizzle. So let's put this in. Yep, there we go. It sizzles. One pancake. Let's make that one first. Okay, so my pancake is cooking. And let's flip it. See? Flip it. Oh, I sort of broke it a little bit, but that's okay. Flip it. You see it? Let that cook. And then we're going to plate it. And I'm going to drain some of the oil off of the pancake, because too much oil will cause fatness, okay? It will make your thighs fat, okay? And other parts of your body, not just your thighs. Fat just doesn't go one place. Don't we wish? No, it doesn't. So, not too much oil. And if you do put too much oil, just put it on a piece of paper towel to let it drain, okay? So, I'll be back. So, here's your pancake, your kimchi pancake. It looks like a pancake, a breakfast pancake, but it's not. It has kimchi in it. So now let's make the yum yum sauce. Shall we? Yes, we shall. Throw all your ingredients into whatever little utensil, bowl, container you have. I'm going to use my ceramic in, okay? So I'm going to throw everything in there, and there's your yum yum sauce. Let me come back and show you how it tastes. Tell you how it tastes, okay? So I'm throwing everything in. Mayonnaise, ketchup, Mirin, garlic, onion powder, rice vinegar, some paprika. This is the smoked paprika. The garlic. And the butter, and we're going to put the regular paprika, we're going to put a pinch. Pew. And I'm supposed to put a little bit of melted butter, but my butter is not melted, so let me go ahead and melt a little bit of this butter, and I shall be back. Okay, mix everything up, and there's your yum yums. Okay, so everything is done, so let's eat, okay? So, here's a piece of my kimchi pancake. You see the scallions inside of it. Kimchi's in there too. Here's my sauce. It's orange. You see it? Oops, about to drop. So let's dip it in.
Let's give praise to the man upstairs. Without him, there's no us. Here we go. Nice. Put the head down. Bow, there it is.
And taste. That's popping. So, I taught you something every day. Okay? Every day, try to learn something new. Now you know how to make an Asian pancake. Thanks for watching. But before you go, you already know. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscribe button. And down below, under this video, in the description box, there's information on how to purchase my Veganlicious ebook. And there's also, let me stop eating. There's also information on how to order from my food page, chef.com. Chef with the S, okay? Chef.com. Or show your appreciation by Cash Apping me to buy me a matcha. Everything you give always comes back tenfold, okay? Blessings upon blessings upon blessings upon blessings. Okay? So, enjoy your day, but don't just enjoy your day. You already know, enjoy life. Ilugu. I'm out.